Okay, for people who don't know the concept, see what I'm trying to do is I am trying to create a group of like an community in an apartment. Okay, so I'm gonna work for you guys. I'll tell you the reason. AI cannot be taught by one person. How many of you first agree that? Just type yes in the chat box. Because there is a lot of different verticals in AI. There are a lot of different aspects in AI. So a lot of training companies, they train only what they know. One guy will learn something and tomorrow he will create a course and he will sell it. Okay. And what will happen to our people? They spend 1 month, 2 months, and the third month it gets outdated by the time they finish the course. And I have understood that. Okay. See, the core part of AI, the Python, ML, DL, that is going to be stay for the lifetime. There is no replacement for that. Okay. I have seen a lot of people getting fooled on internet. I see people like how they're marketing, stuffs. And recorded courses are literally like dying at the moment, or they don't give the consistency because the video is very longer, right? So there is no consistency. Someone is doing 1 2 3 day, fourth day and the fifth day, the life comes in between. Okay, they miss it out and they throw it out. Okay, I'm also seeing the stats on how much people are learning in the platform supply. When we do live sessions, right, at least if it's 2.5 hours, at least they come inside for half an hour or 40 minutes, they get to know what is it until they go off. So and I just want to focus on those more live sessions. And let's say if I'm doing like 5 days 7 day continuous live sessions, do you think people will learn? Do you think people will join? Absolutely no. No way, they're not going to do it. Okay, so we have even tried that and it didn't work. Okay, so then I thought like, what can we do, right? So I have like 10,000 people in my community. So what I decided to do is I'm gonna work only for 1,000 people first. Okay, I'm gonna give my service to 1,000 people. And what I'm gonna do is every weekend, Saturday and Sunday, I'm gonna bring the trainers for you guys. Okay, whatever is trending, and see, we will have like 3 month cycle or a 6 month cycle. Whatever is no audio, guys, kindly check whether go to the settings and choose, see whether you got the right audio. My microphone is fine, better, voice is good. Yes, it's perfect, right? Okay, great. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be the person who's going to help you to get trained on the latest content. Okay, and now in my portal, I'm designing something which nobody has created. I'm creating a concept called as Wired. What do you mean by Wired? Now I want you guys to enter your details as much as possible in our AI Gen portal. For example, someone is an AWS expert, someone is a coder, someone is an hardware expert, someone is a product manager, tester. I want you to guys to input your profile, and then my AI tool in that AI Gen Next will connect you with those people similar to your profile. I will know how many people are in that particular profile. And slowly, once we progress, we will assign programs for you guys. Okay. So, guys, see, you might ask weekday session, whatever session, it's not going to work. Okay. I want you to spend your weekends with me like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. And there's nothing going to be like hidden techniques or tools where we say that we train you and then you say you need to pay extra amount to learn that. No. Okay. We will get what is the core training required for you to progress. So what is my first objective for me in this next 3 months? Okay, I want my people to start making money. I want you guys to create something that will help you to fetch a circle for yourself, or something which you can monetize. Okay, in last 3 4 months I have created 5 apps, and I also sold it for nearly like 30 40 lakh rupees. Okay, so there is possibility now. A lot of people are focusing on their job. That's good. You're learning something which is required for a job. That's good. But after again 1 or 2 years, you should not be in a position. Okay, now this is getting outdated. What should I do now? I want you to create something. You might have not thought it, or you can think tomorrow. It can be your wife's or husband's idea, or a family idea, whatever it is. It can be a website, it can be an app, it can be like anything. I want you guys to create, and AI is helping us to do that. Okay, just imagine that if you are able to monetize that, if you create like 10, 20 apps, do you know, like if you get like 1 lakh subscribers, you can earn $7,500 from Google every year. Okay, so there is a lot of things which has changed, which is helping people to make money. Your first focus should be on what are you gonna do to, to get that money, or a circle which you have been thinking about. How many of you with me? Are you ready for that? So my job is to either create a website, app, anything. Okay, so that can help you. Yeah, and AI is doing that. So see, our training will not just be like just developing. I am hiring people now. For these 1,000 people, I'm going to help you with deployment as well. Now let's say I have Suresh here. Suresh says, Saravanan, I've developed this, but I have some bug on deploying this. Okay, so what happens is, like, you can book an appointment with my team here, and they will connect with you and help you to deploy. So I am creating a team to help these 1,000 people. So maximum this community will go up to 2,000 people, and then it will freeze. Okay, nobody can join in. So how can new people join in? After 1,000 people, only you guys can invite. So you will have the power to invite people into the community only with reference. So, and people will also be removed. So there is a streak count. Okay. So let's say you're not attending 1 or 2, 3 webinars at one, continuously. You will be, unfortunately, we have to let you go. Okay. So please ensure that you have to attend these sessions. Guys, trust me, the next 3 months, I'm working for you guys without a single paisa. I'm not going to make any money at all. Trust me, you're not going to make any payments, and I'm going to work completely for free for these 1,000 people. Okay, so after 3 months, I have committed 6 months for you guys. Okay, so it will go in 3 months. I will see after 3 months how many people are active, how many people are doing stuffs, creating stuffs. Those people will be given 3 months again. For the 6 months, literally, I'm not going to make any money from you guys. Okay, so when I'm spending that much of time, my energy and stuffs like that, I want that equal, effort from you guys. Your only job is to turn up and keep learning. Okay, and also understand that there are certain contents which we train, certain contents where I will be inviting guests. So they will come train you guys. I'm inviting experts also. Also understand that some experts will not be like good trainers. Okay, they will explain you, they'll do some will be theoretical. Okay, don't feel bored. Okay, so at that time, don't come back and say like what company you are. So we will always review the trainer. Okay, I want to know all the 1,000 people by name. I want to interact with them. Just imagine that we are a group of people booking an tour and going. So if it's good or bad, you will tell the organizer, right? So you will tell me. So what happens is, I have a review system for the trainers. If a trainer has to get minimum 6 out of 10, he has to get 6 points to get payment from us. Okay, if he gets anything more than 8%, 8 mark, he gets 5% more than what was agreed to them. 9, he gets 10 percentage. 10 on 10, he gets 30 percentage, higher payment than what was agreed to them. So it is going to be a community driven by you and me. Yes, it is going to be tough. It is going to be tedious for me. And we have to be more strict so that people will envy this community. Okay, they will say, oh, I'm a trainer, I train AI Gen Next. We have to be strict with the trainers as well. Okay, so that I will take care of that. Okay, so people have to uh, long to get to be a part of. That is my goal. If I want to do a course, I can do a course. Okay, if I want to create a robotics, see, I'm doing robotics for your kids. I get my salary and everything is going good. Okay, that's not a problem at all. But I want to be a little different. I want to make difference to people. How many courses you guys are tired of attending webinars after webinars? Making the payment, live sessions, recording sessions, nothing. People are not seeing any progress at all. Okay, so even I could have charged even 500 rupees. I know people would have paid, but you have paid and you've taken courses, and I don't want those money to go, waste. Okay, so this is the way of thanking you guys. So I'm going to do my best to help you out. All I want from you guys is to show up. Okay, if you're not showing up, I'm so sorry. I have to fill the slot for somebody else, and they will take your place. Okay, am I clear, guys? So don't be don't think like I'm rude. Okay, you have to be rude. Okay, you have to be rude. Yeah, so you have to be rude to yourself. Okay, look, you need to think like this is ours. We are running the community. Imagine that once you get 1,000 or 2,000 people, I will start giving you, I will buy servers for our people. You don't need to make payment. Okay, I will buy servers so that you can deploy your projects there. We can have an I can give salary to people, and we can have our own company kind of a thing. They will help you. And other thing is, see, even I don't want to keep doing the training again and again till my end of my life. What I want to do is, I want to create the circle, and I'm going to start going to colleges, start investing on ideas. Okay, once we get into these schools or colleges, I'm going to pick young talents. I am going to use the funds which I'm getting, right? I want to invest for those people. I want to create something on AI, so this community will go on, even after us. Okay, so look at the situation today. We had like 700, 800 registration. Do you know how many have showed up today? 121 people. You know what I'm going to do with the rest of the remaining people? I'm going to just remove them. That is the reason why I didn't put it in the community. I am going to create a WhatsApp group right now. I'm going to share it to you guys. So kindly join that particular group. Only that is only for information or reminder. Okay, and then from tomorrow I have an automatic emailing system. You will get emails. You will get next 1 month complete plan on what are the programs. If something exciting is coming, recommend me. Okay, I'll just, for people who are not seen the platform, I'll share the platform again. I'll just walk you through. Guys, give me 1 minute. Suddenly my WhatsApp is crowded with too many messages. I'll just reply to them. Yes, Nilay, I will give you an intro to it. Don't worry. We will create a website today. Yeah. Okay. So I've changed the model itself. Like, our concept is like, learn, build, launch, and earn. This is what we are going to do, guys. Okay. And every month end, we are going to have a competition, and there's going to be giveaways as well. So just be ready on whatever is covered. Okay. So this is our platform. Yeah. You will have all the next upcoming sessions list here. Okay. You just have to have a look at what's going to come. See, the next sessions, we are going to have vibe coding. We're going to have deployment and vibe coding. And then I have invited a guest who's going to give an session on creating your own strategy for share market. How many of you want that? Okay, so there is like, literally you can create your own strategy rather than copying someone's strategy using AI. We're going to do that. Then we have an AWS session, and then we have a Power BI session. So whatever the latest thing, whatever is trending, we are going to share those things to you guys. Okay, and recommend. Tell me what you want, what can we do, and stuffs like that. So this is our platform, and then if you want to, okay, now I'm also going to give the recordings here. Whatever is going to happen, you're just going to click and you can see the recordings here. All the materials for that will be put up here. Okay. You don't need to go to any other platform. You can just use this. And the AI Gen X professional course, right? I'm going to add those videos also here for you guys for your easy reference. Okay. And then this is going to be a community. We can start a discussion, innovations, anything you want to talk in general, your doubts, your feedback. Okay, your showcase. If you're creating something, I want you guys to do it. And I'm going to give point systems for this as well. Okay, everything's going to be here. And then you can view this later. And guys, you can start referring people to our community. Only you have the power to invite people. So you can just copy this and you can ask people to join in. So when they join, our subscription plan is like 1,000 rupees per month. Okay. For existing community people. After that, it is going to be either 1,500 or 2,000 rupees. So for every 1,000 rupees, you get 100 rupees. You get, I'm sharing my 10% of revenue with you guys. So you can see who's clicked your link. It's like 100% transparency. See, this took us a lot of time to build, test, and to get this accurate. Okay, so you can actually see who's clicked, who's joined, and stuff like that. You can also invite people for webinars or meeting, which I'm gonna do. You get 100 points for it, and you get 10 percentage. You can. I'll give a separate explanation on these things. So you can invite people, and once you achieve 2,000 rupees, you can claim it. You can claim it as an Amazon voucher, Flipkart voucher, PVR voucher, whatever it is. Okay, it's just like a referral policy in our community, and you can keep earning on this one as well. So there, I just want to share my revenue with you guys as well. And this is not like compulsory, but it's optional. And here you can see the courses, and here you can see the live sessions and stuff like here. So links and everything will be put up here, guys. In the next one or this month, I will be testing different webinar platform. Currently the highest cost for me is like this webinar hosting platforms, because Zoom and all, they're charging like 2,000 now, like basic 2,000, but anything is more than 10-50,000 rupees. Okay, so I will try to bring everything here so that you don't need to go to and fro for this and the other one. Eventually, you guys will be having access only to this one. That access, that fsts.4step, as promised, you will have till lifetime access. If I'm closing that site, I will download and give all the videos to you guys, and so that you guys can focus only on this. Okay, so for you guys, it is going to be anybody who's joined after 2025, who has paid 7,999 and above, they're going to get this for 6 months. But initially you will have access only for 3 months. After 3 months, based on your performance and how you're attending and stuff like that, you're going to move to the next 3 months for free. You can refer anybody right now. The subscription is right now kept it as 1,000 rupees, and if you refer, your referral bonuses will be like 100. And after we achieve 1,000 people, this community will be closed. Okay, after the 6 months, we will consider on bringing in other 1,000 people. Okay, so every 6 months we are going to evaluate, we are going to focus on our people, and then we are going to bring in people. After that, people will go in wait list. Okay, that's how the community will work. Clear? Okay, so guys, please be polite with me. Yeah, so like there are too many things I'm handling right now. I'm shelling out everything from my pocket to try and create something. There are also people who are invested in this. They are helping me. I don't want to create something for the sake of it. I want to automate everything as much as possible. I will automate it, and you can help me to do it. Just look at the way how you can make things better. Okay, if something bad is happening, just pick up a phone and tell me, Saravanan, you know what? Do this, man. You guys know that I always pick up the phone, right? So you can talk to me. Anybody who has joined before 2024 and who has paid 7,999 and above, you get 3 months for free. After 3 months, if you feel there's a value, you can make 1,000 rupees after that, and you can continue. Because if I'm going to go, for that, I will go bankrupt. Okay, so don't think of like, just think of like it's your contribution to get this community going. Don't look at it like a charge. Okay, don't look at it like a payment or something. Just look at like how you are helping me to maintain this. Okay, trust me, I will bring the best experts in the world. If like see 1,000, 2,000 people now, we will also get decent revenue out of this. So we will. I will be like majorly focusing on getting this as a brand first of all. Okay, so that is what I'm going to do. Okay, so let me repeat this very clearly. People who have joined after 2025, they get access to the AI Genius Circle for 6 months. But first, I'm going to give only for 3 months for everybody. After 3 months, I will extend it for another 3 months for people who registered after 2025. Okay, clear? Because if you're not coming for 3 months, you're not doing anything. What is the point in giving another 3 months? Agreed? Yeah. So I can boldly say I have a community like all 1,000 people are active people, man. They always do something. Okay. So I wanted to be like that. Anybody who registered before 2024 or 22, 22, 21, 23, guys, I will charge you very less. So kindly, subscribe to this and help me to move this. Okay. You can message me. Yeah. So this is us. This is not me. This is not mine stuff. AI Gen Next is ours. Okay, you guys, my first batch. You are the pillars of this. Sometimes the session will go good. Sometimes session will be bad. Just understand that we are trying to. We will filter out after a particular point of time. We will filter out all the bad and all the those not good wells on the internet. We will have the best people in the world to train this community. For that, we have to face certain junks. I'll be honest. Understood, guys? You with me? Yeah. So unless some people will not, I have seen people they talk too much. I will do this. I will do that. I can train people like this. Finally, once you go inside, those masalas never work. So if you are getting to that situation, just come back, rate the trainer, and we will throw them out. Yeah. Clear, guys? You with me? And second thing is in your profile, I'm going to add some more details. So enter your details, enter your profile, what you're doing, how much salary you're getting, how much salary you're expecting if you're going out. Okay. Because I'm also inviting consultants to be a part of this. Okay. So the consulting team will be here. They will pick people. If they see that you're a particular profile, you're looking to for a job change and stuff like that, I will be connecting them as well. And you can refer our people to your job. So that's why I'm creating a concept like Wired. Once that AI model is ready now, let's say like if there is Suresh here. So once Suresh clicks on and he clicks on Wired, he will see a connection between all those people who have a similar profile like him and where they are working. So I want to focus and I want people to get stuff like that. Okay, clear? Yes, Chanchal, you can pick free people from here. I'm also creating something for students. Okay, so we can bring more people. Guys, the other thing is like I have students also. You guys can use the students. I will give the students to do work for you. I will give them the internship certification. You are creating something. For example, Gautam says, Saravanan sir, I'm doing a project. Can you give me 3 students? Okay, I want in this profile. I will give them 2 or 3 students to Gautam. They will work for you for free. Or you can pay them a stipend of 1,000 or 2,000 to get your work done while you go and do your work. Okay, we are gonna make things available for us for what we want. Okay, my only thing is like use this as technical as possible for innovation and stuff like that. Probably if we guys come up with some good idea, I will also put some money in to develop that. Okay, it can be ours. We can give it to society for free. Whatever it comes on your way, we can develop it. Okay, guys, I can even do this for abroad. I can do it for a high ticket. But I want, because you people already know me, I don't want people to come and judge me like, this guy is for money and stuff. Because you guys already know me, I am doing this with you because foundation is very, very important. Okay, right now I have 124 people. After this, I will download and literally I'll remember your name. I'm going to save your number. Okay, who by end of this webinar, how many ever people are there? I'm going to create a WhatsApp group right now. I never create, but I'm going to create this. I'll remember this 124 or 125 people are there, and I'm going to personally, talk to you guys, or you can talk to me so that we will see how we can build this into a much bigger community. Okay. Sorry if I'm like giving, talking more about this, but trust me, guys, this is where my life is going to be for my till my end. Okay, so this is something if you start, you cannot stop, and you can see my credibility on internet. If you go search 4 steps training solutions, stuff like that, hardly people never said anything wrong. Okay, the only reason why people didn't do it because they didn't get it time and they didn't learn it. I have done a lot of sessions on a repeat basis for them, so we'll make this more interesting, more relevant to the current market. Yeah, cool. Okay. Uh, bring the trainers who can literally interact. So yes, Sunil. See, now lot of people ask me that question. Sometimes I've not got my answers. So after every meeting, now I will be sending a query form to you guys. Okay, you will type in your query, and the trainer has to reply for that, and then only the payment will go to them. Okay, in this right now, yes, I have not see what happens when we say something and they keep talking. Now the webinar will go for 2 3 hours or 4 5 hours and stuff like that, and people lose interest. So now what normally happens, like whenever we do now, at the end I keep interacting, I stay in the meeting. There are a lot of people who have spoke to me 1 1.5 hours. Okay, when it comes to the content of part of it, right, uh, we will allow the trainers to speak, and I will ensure that they give a gap for a query session as well. Okay, but we'll stick on to 10 15 minutes so that it's like crisp and clear. Other thing is like I will also teach you how you can use transcribers. When you use transcribers, right, you can use that content and then you can put it in your Perplexity or Chat GPT, and whenever you get stuck or something, na, you can ask questions related to that. You can get answers also. So I will also teach you the smart way to do it. Okay, so you will see even when it goes to 1,000 people, right, I will normally split the webinar, 500 people and stuff like that. Okay, so we will see how it goes. If people struggle, it will. But one thing I'll guarantee you is I will not say something like, no, that's so you can't ask questions and stuff like that. Okay. And after that, even the session some you can always message me. There are a lot of people who message Saranan sir, can you get me the answer for this? I have already connected them to the people. So now this is where it gets really interesting. I am hiring these people, right? In my office, there are a few experts, right? These guys can also help you, not just the trainer. Okay, so we will have the entire week. Whatever you learned in this weekend, I will give you the contact number of these experts here, my trainers, developers over there. They can help you. Okay, so our objective will be to observe whatever the maximum we can in the weekend trainings. Yeah, you with me, Sunil? Yeah. So yes, people will keep documenting it, chatting it, and stuff like. Yes, it will miss out, and unfortunately they can't keep a track of it. Okay. So, but let me create a. I'll try and see whether I can create a question session here where they can just post a question that gets highlighted separately. Yeah. Clear? I will share the recording of this, guys. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Yeah. So Sunil, yeah, that's what's happening here, right? So that's why I'm doing it without asking any money. So you come, you see whether it's worth it, then you can decide whether you want to be a part of it. Yeah, fair enough. I don't think so anybody in the market will do that, isn't it? Okay, cool. So guys, there are only less people, but what I'll do is, as you guys showed up here, uh, I will show you how you can come up with websites, how you actually have to get started, so that you can design an app or website and stuff like that. Okay, so what we will do is, guys, now I'm going to show you exactly how you develop a website, and how you can design it. First, before you build anything, right, you guys have to create something called as PRD. What do you know what it is? What is PRD? Come on, type in. Guys, I'm going to make this not like too in depth. I'm going to like overlay because again, next two people will come and ask again. Yeah. So yes, we have to create a product requirement doc. There are two things. One is a product requirement document. The other one is a business requirement document, BRD and PRD. Okay. So what I'm going to do for you today is first I'll show you how you have to create a business requirement or PRD. However you want, you have to create it. I'll tell you the reason why. If you're right now, I face this challenge when I wanted to sell something now to the investors or something. The only thing they asked me was share me the PRD document. Okay, because they want to see whether the idea is yours, how it originated, and how you have developed it. Okay, so that is what you guys have to focus on. Okay, so now who wants an website? Anybody wants to build a website here? Who wants a website? Just give me what kind of website is this. Let's build a website for them. Just type in your business, or can we take a consultancy, Gen Z clothing brand? Okay, so we will take Vivian Gumby's education website where we teach phonics. Okay. Uh, okay. Hospital, IT consulting, e-commerce, Amped, car service, silk saree store, travel and customers. Okay, guys, let me do a travel agent website with customized AI recommendation. I'll tell you why, because you can make that as a money right now. Okay, you can create that website, you can just host it, you can connect with travel company, and you can actually make money in this particular season. Okay, so what I will do is I will focus on travel agent website with customized AI recommendations for people. Okay, so we'll build that. Shall we do that? Yeah. So what I'm going to do now is, okay, so let's do it. So I want to create a travel agent website with customized AI recommendations. Um, so what are the other features, guys? In this now, you have to give as much as details as possible. Okay, that is very how different you want it. So I want customers to design the package based on their money, on their expense, location, and I also want to create in such a way that they can decide. I'll zoom this, such a way that they can decide a location and they can say how much they want to spend, and it has to give them the suggestions and locations, stay accordingly. Don't worry about the grammar and stuff like that, spelling and mistake, it will understand. Okay. um, so who gave me this idea? um, Sai Krishna, what else? What is this special? So tell me your. Do you have any idea, a name of that website, company, or something like that? Contact number or something? So guys, see, there is a lot of platforms now to create this. There is Lovable, there is Cursor, okay, Emergent, lot of tools, okay. But the more information you key in, right, that actually determine. And even in Figma, you can create stuff like that, okay. Uh, so make your holiday very good. Okay, that's a good name, yeah. And I will also add the name is name of the site is makeyourholiday.com, and it also need to suggest threat meter in terms of safety. How is this? Nice, na? Because right now, whenever we go to the place now, apart from that, we first say that how safe that place is. Okay. So, uh, what else we can add? Come on, guys, let's build this together. Come on. No website has a safety meter. It's like my wife asked, whenever we go ask someone, is it first is safe? Is it safe? Because of the travel and stuff like that, right? So, okay. So yeah, travel destination category. We can add travel destination category. Internet and all will automatically come. So travel destination category. Okay. Choice of scam. Yeah, already is happening. So so threat meter in terms of we'll put a safety categories like scam. What else? Theft, um, war, violence. Yeah, I think nobody does that, right? Choice of food. Okay, yeah, we'll add choice of food also. So, guys, if you're not able to type in, if you feel bored to type in, just click on the mic and you can dictate it. Yeah. So you can just share whatever is flowing in your head, and it will type it for you. Okay. Okay. Cool. So shopping items, nearby hospitals. Okay. Pull up the official reviews, falls, indoor, outdoor activities. Okay. Let me key in. I'll key in this one. So pull up reviews and nearby hospitals. No, I will not add hospitals now. I will give you that after they confirm it, because normally when they see these hospitals and then they might feel, oh my god, what, something will happen to people there or what? They have listed hospital and all. Our Indian people will think like that. But they will see all the negative signs connected to it. Yes or no? So I'll not add. Uh, you know. Okay, we will have rental options. Rental options for self-driving cars and bike. Yeah, good, na? Food options. I think I added. Yeah, choice of food, climate. Okay, so climate. What else? Mhm. Hygiene service. That will go in depth. That we can political stability. Mm, no, no, no. Okay, visa entry, destination. Yeah, visa entry we can add. Okay. Famous food. I'll say like must must tries and categorize it like food, location, site, sightseeing. If it goes well, we will publish this on behalf of our AHN next, and we'll start rolling out. Yeah, it's nice now. Build it together. Okay, entertainment for children. Okay, categorize activities for children and adults separately, and choices for old people. Okay, done. Now, I want you to create a PRD document or a BRD and create its first version and name it version 1. Yeah, shall we do it? Shall we hit enter? Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'll copy this prompt and I'll share it to you guys. So just keep it with you. Don't try the same thing. Okay, just watch it and you guys can create something different. Okay, so I'm gonna hit enter and let's see what I get. See, guys, I have trained this chat GPT more than anything. So it understands like how I'm thinking and stuff like that. Because how many of you have asked this question to your chat GPT? Like, have you asked stuff like 1 minute, guys? I think the split is not working properly. Okay. Save it with you. Don't do anything. Okay. Yes, the recording will be available. So, guys, what was I saying? Oh my God. So have you ever gone to ChatGPT and asked it like, rate yourself? Can you rate me? Try asking it to tell you. Okay, so I will also show you how it rates me because I come and keep talking to it. I argue with it. Okay, and we'll try and put it together things much better. Okay, so so it's given me like make your holiday on AI power and so and so. Okay, problem statement, focus on fixed package, lack deep personalization, don't optimize based on budget intelligently. So it tells you how different we are from the current platform. So ignore safety and real world risk. Don't cater separately to kids, adults, and elderly. Users want okay. Solution AI driven accepts user budget location, process real time, generates itinerary cost, target users, budget travelers, family, senior couples. Okay, core features: AI travel planner, input, budget, output. So budget based optimization engine that tourists should be aware of. Okay, theft, scam. Okay, output on low risk, moderate, high risk, destination categorization. Cool. We have food intelligence system. Uh, rental and transport options, climate and visa insights, smart activity segmentation, user flow, system architecture. Okay, good. Budget preference destination, best fit, monetization strategy. Okay, success metrics, risk, future scope, MVP, full booking engine, complex integrations, conclusion. Okay, now I want to add one category to it, which is I want the foods um customer need to plan customer need to get food choices based on allergies. Once they input uh, allergy causing ingredients, it has to say what to have and not in that particular place. But uh, always say check with the restaurant. Yeah, is this good, guys? Yeah. Okay, guys. See, I will tell you one more thing also. Normally, when we create this AI kind of websites, right? Normally, first I create the basic website. I don't integrate AI. With respect to this non-coding and stuff like that, when you directly start integrating, you'll get a lot of errors. Okay, we'll see how this goes. Yeah. Our job is to make this as a complete live Pakka website. Okay. So yes, vegetarian options. I'll also put in a vegetarian vegan option. Okay. Vegetarian vegan options. Yeah. Now add this as well and give me a document. Okay. Yeah, we will add that, Vinod. Yeah, we can. Non-veg. Yeah, that will come definitely, sir. Our in it will cater to our Indian people. Probably we can also have a as Vinod says, right? Based on the customer profile, it can suggest foods for them, or we can even add a customer profile, uh, like what they want, what they don't want. We can create a profile and then also recommend stuff like that. But what happens now when we do that? It will not give them option to explore the food out there. It will only tell them what they want. Normally the point of traveling these places, right, to try food which they have not eaten. Correct? How many of you are like that? I like to explore. Okay, but it never worked out. Yeah, so I feel that it has to go with that exploring option, but be a little more allergic conscious as well. Nowadays guys, kids are like, they're like, some way they're allergic to something, guys. It's like, I don't know what's happening with the world. When we were kids, we ate everything, even mud and everything, nothing happened. But now it's like very, very risky to give anything to kids. Yeah. So let's add this. So we have see now. Did you notice something? Version 1.1. Okay. So device compatibility, we will come to that. So guys, we will decide on first. We're going to decide on website first. I'm going to create this as like a web app, and then we will create the web app into app. Okay. I'll also teach you how to convert this into an app and stuff like that. Okay. So let's do this. Now what I want to do is I'll go through all this. I'll go through this again in detail later. It's giving you the choices and stuff like that. Allergy ingredients optional. Avoid this. Okay, everything is okay. Good. Uh, Now, see, usually I'll go one by one. Okay. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna ask it to give me a prompt. I want to view this before I go and build this. Uh, See, always mention this because you're telling it to, excuse me. So you're telling that first I want to see this, how it comes. Then we will build it together. Okay. So when you say this, it will remember and will follow after you build this. Okay. So now we are telling I want to view this before I go and build this, before I go ahead. Okay. So give me a uh, web app prompt for lovable. So it's creating it. So now what do you need to do? How many of you are getting to know this for the first time? Lovable. Just type me in the chat box. Let me see this. I have tested a lot of things, but the UI UX Lovable cannot, you know, beat. And Figma is good now, recently launched. So now I will give you the credit also, the login link. If you sign up with this, you will get, see, it gives you 5 credit per day for free. So 5 credit is more than enough to build a website, but make changes, you'll have to go to next day. Otherwise, you have to start buying this. Okay. Now I will share you the link. You will get 10 credits. Okay. You don't need to give any credit card entry and stuff like that. So let me share it for you guys. Where is it? Share Lovable one. Only don't think that I'll get some commission. I will not get commission until you pay for it. So just use this to sign up into this. Instead of 5 credit, you will get 10 credit. Okay. So now let's come to Lovable. I'll zoom it. Guys, because of the 5 credit, normally I don't come here, plan and discuss. Okay. You have an option to plan and then you have an option to build. I'm going to just ask to build because I got the prompt here. Okay. So I'm just going to copy this. And then, because when you normally visualize it right, you'll get more. I come here, I paste this. Guys, you can also, add the logos, any images which you have, you can do it. Okay. So I've added it. Now let's see how it builds it. And one more thing, please remember, not just Lovable, any website, any web coding platforms, just go step by step. Don't give like too many information. It's similar to like if your mom or wife is asking you to buy like 20 items in a supermarket, how much you will buy? I want honest answers here. Two out of 20 you buy two. I think there is also some other category of people, they will forget to go to shop itself, like me. I come back with nothing. Who's like me, my category? She'll ask me like, where did you go? I ask to go to shop now. Yeah. So if you buy, you better don't go. Okay. So that's what, normally she asks me, where do you go? Where are you going? Then I'll ask her why. Then she will say, no, if you're going, buy this, buy that. And then I'll say, no, I'm not going anywhere. I'm at home. So I don't know how many people are like that. So that's what I do. So normally it's like that, right? So even Lovable, these prompts, sometimes they miss out one or two. So always go with the first version and then keep adding stuffs. Okay. So I'll put this, and right now I will build this. So done. So just see the magic happening in front of you guys. So it will start building. You just have to keep noticing here. It'll ask you for some permissions. You can connect your GitHub and it will be directly stored in your GitHub and you can edit from there. You can even publish it directly and you can make people to start using this. Okay. Our AI Gen Next website, I got the first frame here. From here, we move to anti-gravity and we develop. So guys, we have something called as anti-gravity, yes. The MERN stack developer, you can develop that here as well. Okay. So see how this is building. Now imagine before and all to do this, company used to give us a quotation for 3 months, 4 months. Yeah. And the amount. So today at a subscription cost of 5,000 rupees, you can do an entire website. Crazy, no? Yeah. Guys, see, the world is going to be very unpredictable, guys. I don't see the wars are going to come in. Everything's cost is going to go skyrocket. Always have something for you guys. Okay. Make something. Look out your family route. I started farming, guys. Next time I'll show you the videos. And so, I'm going to put my profile as a farmer in LinkedIn. Okay, I'm using my latest techs, gadgets, and stuffs like that. So I want to make my circle little shorter, so that there is some output. Okay, so all those this 1,000 people should know my name. I should know their name. They should know what we are going to do. Trust me, guys, we'll do wonders, guys. We will start going to colleges. We will invest on them. If things go well, we'll see how we can make ourselves more powerful. You know, that's all it takes. If there's some particular technology which is like very urgent to learn kind of a thing comes also now, I will hire that person, will do it in one of the weekdays, don't worry. Okay, we'll do it on the need basis. Yeah. And guys, see, and also one more thing. um, See, normally I'll give you 1 month schedule well in advance. In between, if and I'm inviting an expert from other places and stuff like that, we will have to go by their timing. Okay. Sometimes weekdays will come, but I'll give you at least 1 or 2 weeks well in advance. Okay. Guys, give me 1 minute. Guys, don't worry, I'll give you the recording. Okay. Yes, you can publish without domain and hosting, but you can't sell it. People will not trust it. Okay. You can connect with domain. Don't worry, guys. If you decide to go ahead with it, I have spoken to Hosting Air. They have given special discount for AI Gen Next. I'm waiting for the coupon code. I'll share it to you. You can publish it and you can start making money. So, guys, one thing, uh, if there's small amount for yourself, now invest it, guys. Okay. Don't be cheap to yourself on your journey to greatness. Unless that is, I think that cost will be like your one time dinner cost or something like that. 1,000 rupees, 1,200 rupees for hosting and stuff like that. Until you commit to those things, that you will not create. And always create together with your family members, so it will work. Okay. So look at this. Wow. So let me preview this. Cool. So where do you want to go? I want to go to Madurai. 5 days. Solo, family. My budget. I'll put it like $3,000. So first, let's go through this. What exactly you can pick? What hills, culture, everything you need in one. Your itinerary breakdown, plane and trim steps. Okay. So you have features about and stuff. Okay. So let me put this. Okay, so itinerary, Madurai Old Town, viewpoint, guided adventure, scam risk, medium, theft risk, violent, overall. Adjust budget. Wow, guys. So you have food allergies, vegetarian, vegan, non-veg, your transport rentals, bikes, activities, adults. Okay. Mm, okay. So how's this? What do you think? So now, what are the changes you feel we need to make? We need to change the dollars to um rupees, right? So we just have to change that. Again, see, guys, one more thing. You can also create a document, for example, Tamil Nadu and stuff like that, right? Try to create as much as documentation about that area, and you can upload that as well. Okay. So the more input you give, it will be able to learn from that data. Yeah. So, guys, see, I have not seen any uh, you know app like this, or an travel agency like this. I have not seen that. We can actually make this as a proper money. Okay. So now let me make some change. If you want to make changes, just have to go back here. So now it says you have 2.3 credits. See, to create this it took only 2.7. Okay. I will say, can you make the currency based on location and add uh, details of that place. For example, Madurai, give the places there, and also give hotel recommendations and uh, button to call them or book. Yeah. Any other changes you want to make? So where is it? I think you can adjust the pricing here. Uh, uh, Ramya, if you see here, see, you can adjust the budget. There is a slider. Based on it, it will give. Yeah. Uh, okay, edit should be available. Then what else? Add some any background pick of destination as well. Okay. The website looks boring. Okay, we'll change that. Range for budget will. So guys, see, you can adjust the budget, right? So the range comes automatically there now. So you see the slider here. Yeah. So let me change the look and feel. And the website looks boring. Make it more attractive. Yeah. Uh, okay. Okay. So guys, let me put this because I'll run out of credit. Okay, then we have to continue tomorrow. We'll do with this. I'm not adding any background pics now. Guys, the concept is now right. We can do the designing and all later. Not a problem. Okay. So we'll look out for the core now because if we focus on the design now, it will take away the credit. Okay. So let's get the core of the website and then we will change the stuffs. Okay. So let me come here. So I'll make it as more. See, you have visual edits and stuff like that. You can do that. Know where you want, what you want. You can move this, change this. You can say that. Logos, backdrops, everything you can do it. Okay. So you can even attach images here. Reference, you can do it. Okay. Take a screenshot from somewhere and you can put it here and you can ask for it. Yeah. So I'm gonna let's see what it's creating. See, everything matters with the detail. Okay. So while this creates, let me create a WhatsApp group for you guys. I want you to join that. So I'm creating the group now. Guys, you can also create a website for yourselves. Okay, first build it. When you build it, you will have more confidence, guys. Right now, when I'm trying to hire people, right, I'm not just looking at LinkedIn. I'm just getting the website and do it. So yes, back end and all, we can connect. I'll tell you, you can connect it to Superbase, login credential, everything will be a. See, mine is like if it's a basic, like little information means we can use this itself. Okay, what I will do is I'll be connecting this to my hosting here, and whatever changes you make here, right, that will automatically will go into the website. You can connect. I'll also open that and I'll show it to you guys now. Don't worry, guys. Today we will focus on this. Okay, building this, and I'll also show you how to connect your GitHub and how to publish this. And next weekend I will teach you how to connect to your hosting here and making it live. Okay, that is the only thing where this all the internet gurus will never show you. That is like like the snake charmer. You will wait for the snake to come out, but it will never come out until you pay 1 lakh. Okay, because if that's revealed, it's done. Okay, so it's nothing. Just it will take hardly 30 minutes. Okay, so I will teach you how to deploy as well. Yeah. Uh, Good one. So mine is like when we use this credit card storing as well, like I use Hostinger. So Hostinger gives me that all the kind of security level required for this credit card and stuff like that, and we integrate Razorpay and those payment gateways. So they take care of the security and stuffs. Okay. So and see, I have a separate VPS. I bought a VPS. If you ask me the cost of it, see, I have hosting like 5 to 8 websites, 4 apps, Flutter apps, all those stuffs. Okay. So it is around. It costed me 40,000 for 2 years. So do the math. So that's like 40,000 divided by 12. So 3,000 rupees. Sorry. 40,000 divided by 24. That's 1,600 rupees, guys. You can host a lot of data, everything, like 8 GB and stuff like that. Okay. So once you deployed, you can see if you're doing it from Lovable itself, you can do it here itself. Okay. Or else there is another thing called as anti-gravity. It's a more full stack development, and it is also like a prompt. You can use prompt and develop it. So we will also teach you that. So you can move this to anti-gravity. Okay, listen to this. Okay, don't get confused. So what we are doing right now is we have built this site. Okay, there are two ways to publish this. Either directly, you can connect to your domain and hosting, and you can do it from here. If you feel that this is more than enough. Second thing is, what you can do is move this to anti-gravity. When there is going to be like lakhs and lakhs of people or thousands of people going to come in, it has to be like scalable, right? So you build it using anti-gravity because that will give you the scalability. Okay, how will you do it? You will save this to GitHub. From GitHub, you will move it to anti-gravity, and from anti-gravity, you will publish through our hosting providers. That's it. Simple. Okay. So don't worry, we will learn all those things and all. Don't worry about it. Anybody who has used anti-gravity? Yeah. Anti-gravity is one of Microsoft. Don't worry, you will learn that. Yeah. Okay. Let's see whether it's done. Okay. Guys, just imagine we are in the version 1. Okay. Now look what happens the next 2, 3 years, 4 years. Okay. Now look at this. It has made little better. Still, we have UI UX things to change. Okay, look at this. How's it now? Much better, huh? Yeah. So it's given the locations. You can pick your vibe, everything you need. So now let's try this. Okay. So it has given me the places where to stay. Okay, your itinerary. Now look at this. It has given me the locations also, what to see and stuff like that. Okay, and then we have vegetarian, avoid vegan, safe, crispy dosa. Always confident with the restaurant. Super. Look at this. Transport rentals, bikes, kids, adults, seniors. Wow. Look at this. That's it. You can put a commission. So it has changed it into rupees. So if you have 1 lakh, so you have 5 days. Okay. So now what I will do is next I will also give an option here. I'll give an edit option here to change this 2, 3 days. Okay. So it's giving you the top places. Safety. I think safety meter is a biggest advantage. Climate, best time to visit. Imagine you sitting and creating this. How much time you would have taken? Yeah. Okay. So, guys, see, lovable credits is only for you to develop, not for people to use. Okay. So, guys, now next step, how will you connect to your GitHub? Simple. Just click on this icon, click on connect to GitHub. Okay. So, I've already connected. So, it will ask you for the username and password. So, click on, sorry. 1 minute. Okay, I think you should be able to see this now, right? Okay, I'll redo it again. Okay. So now I want to connect the see. I have exhausted my credits for today. So I will continue to edit tomorrow. Okay, guys, one more interesting thing. Okay, or one more clue. This user interface design and stuffs like that, right? You create it in the PRE document itself, here itself. Tell them you want it more attractive, color themes, concepts, or visit any website and give them the color design and stuff like that. When you create here itself, it will be easy for lovable. Yeah, understood, guys? So now let me come here and I'll show you how to connect it. So now you can share it to your friends and you can collaborate it and you can do it. If you want to view the coding part of it, you can also view the coding part of this. Just click on this, you'll get the code and stuff like that. Okay, and then just click on this, click on connect GitHub. So I've already connected my GitHub account here, so I'll click on connect again. Look at this, done. So you can view this on your GitHub. Okay, and what else? If you want domains, you can connect your domains directly. Okay, and then you have the knowledge base here. You can connect it to any of your Slack, or if you want to do a Shopify account, you can connect directly. But you don't need these until unless you need it. Okay, and then you can connect it to your Telegram people, and then what we have domains, project settings. Okay, so anything else which you can see? Most of the things it does it automatically. Okay, there is something called as Superbase. Okay, you will have to connect to Superbase. While you're doing it, right, it will automatically ask you to connect it. Let me see whether I can. I've already created it, so that's why it's not showing up here. Let me see whether it's showing up here. So while you are creating, right, for database, it will give you an option connected to a super base. So they just add your username and password. You can use it. Yeah. So now, guys, look at this very carefully. Now I'm gonna show you how you can publish this. Okay. So now click on publish. Okay. So you can change it to what you want. Make your holiday, and then click on continue. Okay, and then click on continue. Change the, don't forget to change this icon title. It is title, icon and title. Otherwise your website will always show this heart. Okay, you have to remove that heart. So change the icon. You can do it later also. So just put the title whatever you want. So make your, and upload a social image. See, if you don't change your icon, it will show up like this. Yeah. Okay, and then click on continue. That's it, it's ready. If you click on publish, anybody can start using your website, but the website will show like this. Okay, your website will show like this, which people normally won't trust. Correct. So now your website should look like makeyourholiday.com, isn't it? So next week I'll be showing you how you can connect it to your hostinger. Or what I will do is I will connect an website, I'll record it and I will show it to you. Fair enough? Yeah. So now you can just click on publish it and it will be live. Cool. Yeah. Guys, see, anti-gravity, I will cover itself as a full 1 or 2 take course. Don't worry. We'll cover 2 days. Okay. Yeah. Guys, see, you have to practice. Try practicing it. go for the free version. While you're connecting database or anything, don't, if you get a problem, don't worry. Share the screenshot with me. Share it in our AI Gen X community. We will, do this together. I will also give you the supports, guys. Once we have more people, now I'll start my first investment will go to build the team. Okay, so kindly support us. You can start referring people, and then we can make the people to subscribe to us. And once we get the relevant 1,000 people, we'll freeze it, focus on the first 1,000 people, and then we'll go to the next one. Okay. Yeah, 1 minute, guys. Sorry. Okay. So guys, so here is the link, WhatsApp link. Okay. And guys, see, don't be angry on the groups whenever you post or say something. Always ensure that uh, the what will happen to that person's mentality. Okay, we have to keep motivated. Some people will keep asking again the same thing and saying same thing. Please forgive them. Please be polite to each other. So our group should be of more positivity. Okay, so I will try to give you as much as possible. I'm speaking to Hostinger for the discount. I don't know how much percentage will give. At least 10% they will give. That's good. Use it. Once we have enough people, I will try to create our own services, Hostinger, and I'll try to give it you guys. Okay. So until then, wait for it and help us to scale as well. So go to your AI Gen Next website, start referring people. You can make them to join our group. Right now it's at just 1,000 rupees. That's it. Okay. So we'll see how it goes. I will freeze it at 1,000. After 1,000 we will not have any people. And then evening today I have a meeting for existing people to be the 2024 people register before 2024. Okay, if you are somebody here before 2024 who has paid less than 7,999, you can register 1,000 rupees per month and you can be a part of it. Okay, see, the freedom is you will stay with us as far as you find it valuable. I am confident, and it also gives me the extra to give the best to make you stay. Okay, it is not an EMI conversion or something like that. If I don't do well, you will leave. Okay, so let me share the link again in the WhatsApp group. Guys, just kindly don't message anything, just see the last two messages. uh, you will see. Okay. And guys, also I want you to tag yourself. I'll create a community for AI Gen X circle in our LinkedIn. We'll keep it more active so that the corporates know, the companies know that, and we can position ourselves much better. We have to be the so guys, see, there will be also sessions for coders also. I will also teach you digital marketing. I will also teach you how to run Facebook ads, how to use AIs, create content, everything, from non-coding to coding. We'll try to cover everything for you guys. Okay, if it's a coding session, we will also have a little clue. So it is like if it shows us like white box, that is like WB, you know, if it's a coding, it will show WB. Okay, if it's like black box, it will show us BB, which is like non-coders. So that is a clue what the session is all about. Yeah. Okay, cool. So kindly join the WhatsApp group. I'll start posting there, and I'll also share you the invite link for today's meet for the people who want to join new in this community. You can share that to those people, and we can see how it goes. And we will freeze it at 1,000 people now. Okay, so nearly 400 people gave, and around like 200 people have attended today. So after tonight, tomorrow morning, I'll remove those people, and we will start from one. Okay, I'll put all the update in that particular WhatsApp. If you want to move, go out of all the remaining WhatsApp group, just leave. You just have to be in this WhatsApp group which I sent. Okay, the code generated today is in Python. Just wait. It depends. It's on Node.js. It's on Node.js. You can also tell on what code you have to be created. Okay. Uh, oh yeah. So guys, please don't add people here. Um, so you will get a guys. I will send a mail again tomorrow with 48 hours time to activate your AI Gen X circle. So you will receive a mail like token. Okay. So set a password. You just have to log in and set the password. Okay. And I will put today's recording, everything, link and stuffs here. If you go to your my courses, professional, so all the recordings will be here, title and the link and the links which I shared today, like Lovable, all those things will be here. Okay, cool. Santosh, if you want to see about AI agents, it is already there in our recording of AI Gen X Meet recordings in our FSTS portal. So go to AI Gen X Meet recording. We did a couple of sessions on AI agents. You can see that. Okay. Uh, okay, guys, you know our old portal, right? See, it's not an old portal, still the existing portal. This one, do you remember this one? In this, if you go to AI Gen X, everybody should have access to this. Here you see something like AI Gen X Meet recordings. So click this. Okay, see, here you have a video of clone yourself. I'll do this session again on one of the sessions, so you don't need to visit that. So look at this. There is a build your agentic bot for your business. And then we have agentic RAG here, orchestration using Langflow. So all the sessions are here, prompt engineering. Okay, so this was like, we did even using a cursor, you know, these are all the previous versions. You can actually watch that if you want. Okay, and I know people will not watch it because it's 2 3 hours. When it's recording, they feel it's so long. When it's live, it goes just like that, isn't it? Yeah. So guys, see, I want you guys to be active in everything. Okay, I will share the review links or AI Gen Z circle, everything, you know, LinkedIn. I want you to share, post. Don't feel shy. Don't feel like uh, uh, what others will say and stuff like that. Please share. The more we showcase ourselves, more people will come to us. Okay, so I will do that for you guys. Yeah. Okay. No. So if you are paid, have you paid 7,999 earlier, Santosh? Then you should have the access. If you have not done that, then you will not. Just share your email ID after this. I'll help you out. Guys, after this, just give me 1 hour break. I just have another session. I need to go to a school now. So after 1 hour, I will get in touch with you guys and I will guide you. Okay. I'll also share this recording by today. All the meetings, whatever is happening, the recordings will be uploaded within 24 hours. Okay. I will do it and I'll share it in the portal. So try today. Always when you go to Lovable, go to ChatGPT first, build your version, create a Word document and save it. Now let's say you're creating a second version. Then document that as version 2.0. Okay, 2.1, 2.2, and stops that. Okay. I will also build this website much better and I will see how better I can make this. Okay. Guys, don't worry. I will have sessions on how to create this as an app. Everything will go on. Okay. Guys, people who have not paid 7,999 so far, if you want access to the AI Gen X portal, you can still make 7,999. Get all the AI Gen X course access there, plus 6-month access here as well. Okay, so just message me after this so that guys, because see the reason is I can't give that portal for free because there are investors. I'm accountable, so they will also ask us, right? So I'm just keeping 7,999. If you've already paid, just share me your email ID. I will activate it for you. That's it. Okay. Good. So two things. Before 2024, anybody has paid less than 7,999, you can make 1,000 rupees per month. I'll share that link also here. I'll link directly. Just message me. I'll share the link to you. Okay. And second thing is, if you want to get access to the AHS portal, you can make 7,999 plus next 6 months access to our AI Gen Next community circle, and you can access it, the live sessions and stuff. Okay. Non-coders, when you see a coding session, try and observe and see whether you can follow it. If you're not getting it, don't worry. Focus only on the non-coding stuff. Okay. Don't come and say that what I'm not understanding that this and all, because you should have learned the coding that this portal access which I gave you earlier, the 7,291. People who know a little bit of coding, they will do it. Okay. So I wish you guys all the best. This is what we're gonna do. And so, how was the day today, guys? You enjoyed it? Found it useful? Yeah. Uh, Guys, if you want to know how much you found, paid, just go to your email ID. Look out for receipt from 4 steps. Okay, look out a receipt from 4 steps. So that's should do. And just send me an email. I will tell you how much you guys are paid. So we will also teach you how to create images, how to create logos, how to create videos, how to create a poster, everything. Whatever respect to AI, will do it for you. Okay. So I wish you guys all the best. Stay connected. Just wait for 2-3 weeks until we have proper flow. So just be patient until then. We will remove those people who are like not active. We will have proper active people so that you don't feel disturbed. Okay. So I'll resend the WhatsApp again link here. 1 minute, guys. Just kindly stay here. Guys, you have paid 7,999, don't worry, you will get access to everything. Okay. So let me share the link again, guys. 1 minute. You can leave all the other groups. Okay. And I will also share you the Lovable referral link. So you get 10 points today. So I'll share that also. So I'll share it in the WhatsApp also. Don't worry, guys. WhatsApp group also I'll share you. Yes, the recording will also be shared today. I have shared the Lovable link and I'm going to pin it also in our WhatsApp group. Done. Okay. Cool. So guys, so have your enjoy your Sunday. I'll catch you next time then. Yeah. Bye, guys. Yeah. So Mohammed, yes, we'll support you. Right now, I'm not telling I'll give you for free. So don't get confused. So I'll help you to get you the discount. So once we have the 1,000 people, then I will give some allocation for our people, and that also will be first come first serve basis. Yeah. So until I make money, I can't give you money, Mohammed. So please excuse me on that. I wish I can do. Yeah. Don't worry. Okay. I'm fair enough, right? Okay. Good. Thank you, guys. Bye.